is this section here, which is called the scroll, and the edge of your fabric is aligned on that edge, and this is what does the job. It turns your fabric and stitches. This is the underside of the hemming foot, and here we have a little gauge, a little channel here that determines the width of your actual turning. So this is roughly about 3mm, and you can get them 2 and slightly bigger as well, and that is the scroll part. That's what it looks like on the underneath. The reason why you use a hemming foot, because this is how tiny you want the hem to be, and it's more achievable doing it with an attachment such as the narrow rolled hemming foot, so you can get that beautiful millimeters of stitching, and that is what actually controls the width. You can see there. Right, I've got my hemming foot in position, and what I need to do first is align it to the raw edge, and then just stitch a couple of stitches. Okay, that's it. And then lift my foot, pull my fabric towards me, and then do not cut your threads, because you're going to use that as an anchor. So these tails of thread will enable you to kind of help it through the scroll of the foot. So here we go. So I've got my threads, and then I'm putting my fabric into the scroll there. Hope you can see that. It can be tricky. It really can be a tricky job to get it to do what you want it to do. And put your foot down and hold on to your tails, and then keep your fabric kind of towards you, so you're kind of slightly at an angle, because this is where you need to make sure you're looking, because you want to make sure you actually trap those raw edges into the fold. And just take your time, there's no hurry, just let the scroll do what it needs to do to give you that beautiful finish. I'll stop there. Can you actually see there? If I can point it out with my little pointer here. See, my fabric is there, and this is helping it to roll, and that's turning, and then it stitches. So I'll continue and keeping it at a slight angle just to help it along. Take it right to the edge. There we go. Now let's see how well I've done. Oh yeah, that's really good. Yep. It's done the job that I wanted to do. Can you see how narrow that is? It really is quite beautiful, really, isn't it?